Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we are going to go over Discover the Secret Side Hustle that pays $500 a week instantly. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over understanding side hustles, the secret side hustle revealed and tips for success. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial game, an incredible side hustle that can earn you $500 a week, and you can start seeing those earnings almost instantly. If you've ever felt the pinch of rising expenses or simply want to boost your savings, this is the perfect opportunity for you. We'll explore what this side hustle is, how it works, and why it's gaining popularity among people just like you. Throughout the video, we'll break down the steps you need to take to get started, share tips for maximizing your earnings, and even discuss some common pitfalls to avoid. Whether you're a busy professional, a stay-at-home parent, or a student looking to make some extra cash, this side hustle is designed to fit into your lifestyle seamlessly. So, if you're ready to unlock a fast and practical income opportunity that can help you achieve your financial goals, stick around. You won't want to miss the valuable insights and actionable advice we have in store for you. Let's jump right in and discover how you can start earning today. Understanding side hustles. Side hustles are essentially part-time jobs or freelance gigs that individuals take on in addition to their primary employment. They serve as a powerful tool for achieving financial independence, allowing people to supplement their income, pay off debt, or save for future goals. In recent years, the trend of pursuing side hustles has skyrocketed, with more individuals recognizing the potential for financial freedom outside of traditional 9-to-5 jobs. This growing movement is fueled by the desire for flexibility and the need to adapt to rising living costs. Many people are turning to side hustles as a way to explore their passions, develop new skills, and create additional revenue streams. The beauty of side hustles lies in their versatility. They can range from freelance writing and graphic design to selling handmade crafts or offering consulting services. One of the most appealing aspects of having a side hustle is the immediate financial gain it can provide. Whether you need to cover unexpected expenses or simply want to enjoy a little extra spending money, a side hustle can deliver quick results. By leveraging your skills and interests, you can turn your free time into a lucrative opportunity that enhances your financial well-being. The secret side hustle. Revealed? Today, we're unveiling a specific side hustle that has the potential to generate $500 a week almost instantly. Freelance virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you'll provide administrative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from the comfort of your home. This can include tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, and even customer service. The demand for virtual assistants is booming, making it a lucrative opportunity for those looking to earn extra income quickly. Getting started is straightforward. First, identify your skills and the services you can offer. Next, create a professional profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where clients actively seek virtual assistants. It's essential to showcase your expertise and previous experience, even if it's from past jobs or volunteer work. While formal qualifications aren't necessary, strong organizational skills, effective communication, and a basic understanding of digital tools are crucial for success in this role. Additionally, being proactive and responsive will help you build a solid reputation and attract more clients. With just a few steps, you can tap into this rewarding side hustle and start earning that extra $500 a week. Success stories. Let's take a moment to highlight some inspiring success stories from individuals who have embraced the virtual assistant side hustle and are now earning $500 a week. Meet Sarah, a stay-at-home mom who started offering her organizational skills to local businesses. Within just a few months, she was able to replace her part-time income, allowing her to contribute significantly to her family's finances while still being present for her children. Then there's Mark, a recent college graduate who struggled to find a full-time job in his field. He decided to leverage his tech skills as a virtual assistant, helping entrepreneurs with their online presence. Mark quickly built a client base and now earns over $600 a week, giving him the financial freedom to pay off student loans and save for his future. Another inspiring story is that of Lisa, a retired teacher who wanted to supplement her pension. By offering her expertise in educational administration, she found clients who valued her experience. Lisa now enjoys a steady income that has greatly improved her quality of life. These diverse backgrounds illustrate how the virtual assistant side hustle can transform financial situations, providing individuals with the means to achieve their goals and live more comfortably. Tips for success. To maximize your earnings as a virtual assistant, effective time management and resource allocation are crucial. Start by creating a structured schedule that outlines your work hours and tasks for each day. Use time blocking techniques to dedicate specific periods for client work, administrative tasks, and personal development. This will help you stay focused and ensure that you're making the most of your available time. Networking is another key strategy for success. Join online communities and forums related to virtual assistants, such as Facebook groups or LinkedIn networks. Engaging with others in the field can provide valuable insights, support, and potential client referrals. Building relationships with fellow virtual assistants can also lead to collaboration opportunities, allowing you to take on larger projects together. Additionally, consider utilizing productivity tools and platforms to streamline your workflow. Applications like Trello or Asana can help you manage tasks efficiently, while tools like Canva can assist with creating visually appealing content for clients. Time tracking software such as Toggle can help you monitor how much time you spend on each task, ensuring you're billing clients accurately. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can enhance your productivity and significantly boost your earnings in this rewarding side hustle. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored an exciting side hustle opportunity, becoming a virtual assistant that can help you earn $500 a week almost instantly. We discussed what side hustles are and their growing popularity as a means to achieve financial independence. You learned about the specific steps to get started, the skills needed, and the inspiring success stories of individuals from diverse backgrounds who have transformed their financial situations through this venture. The benefits of this side hustle are clear: flexibility, immediate income, and the chance to leverage your existing skills in a rewarding way. Now that you have the knowledge and insights, it's time to take action. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends or family who might also benefit from this opportunity. Don't forget to explore our related content for more income-generating ideas and tips. We're here to support you on your journey to financial freedom, so stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos that can help you unlock your earning potential. Your side hustle success story could be just around the corner. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.